Hello friends. So today we'll be discussing about a new Java 21 feature, that is virtual threads. In Java 21, as Java 21 released recently, right? It's better uh, to know the features which it has. So one of the feature of Java 21 is the virtual threads. So what is a virtual thread? So the virtual threads are the JVM managed lightweight threads that will help in writing high throughput concurrent applications. So that means it's a lightweight thread. So actually it's not a heavyweight like platform threads. So it's a lightweight thread managed by JVM. Okay, using the virtual threads, we can execute millions of threads using a few platform threads. That is, so because we have a hardware dependency, right? In to use Java, we have the hardware dependencies. So that hardware dependent threads are the platform threads, and this virtual threads are managed by JPM. So it is very lightweight, and it will take use of platform threads to execute millions of virtual threads at a time. So to use virtual thread, we don't have to modify in our thread programs. So if you have already working on a thread program, right? So we don't have to modify that thread program itself. So all we need is to instruct our application to use virtual threads. So there is three ways to create virtual threads. That is the but by taking the help of thread.start virtual thread and passing the runnable object over it, so it will execute as a virtual thread. And the second way is to same the take use of the thread class, and of virtual method is there, and with after that we have to start the thread by passing the runnable. And the third option is to take use of executors, and we have to create the new virtual threads, um, the upper task executor, and we have to submit the runnable interface over there. So one point to mention here is that the virtual threads are not faster. So there is no improvement with respect to performance of a thread, um, but it can be used, right? It can be used to what I can say used to um, used to execute, right? Execute many threads at a time. So this would be used to scale the number of concurrent tasks and spend much of their time on waiting. So sometimes we have right we have some scenarios where we have to wait for a response or something like that. So in that scenario, we can take use of virtual threads over platform threads. So so that's all about the threads.